Hello, loves. Welcome to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your weekly solar chakra reading. It's here for you to help you really refine, evolve, heal the energies surrounding this chakra. I'll explain any of the cards and their positions as we go through the reading. I start with the readings from the books, from the authors, and then I'll finish with a intuitive interpretation of the cards in the spread. So the first card out is Viracocha, the Honor, the Light card. Now this chakra, we are really looking at how can self-respect and self-compassion make us aware that we are the masters of our own universe. People around you, people, or perhaps even you, can sometimes get caught up in the troubles of the world and forget to focus on the light and their own creative power. Gently but persistently remind yourself and others to ask for divine help. This can be done according to each individual's belief system. Prayers will be answered. Focus on the light at specific moments during each day. Place sacred objects in your line of vision so you see them and remember the light often. You are a light worker, light bearer, one who is divinely designed to receive and transmit light for the benefit of humankind and Mother Earth. You have more influence in situations to bring about divine conclusions than you may realize. Don't be afraid to use your light in all ways possible. And an accompanying card, this one's coming from the Inner Earth Cities Chakra. We're going to use the Crystal Grid Oracle deck for it. And we have angels with the gemstones of selenite and angelite. The theme for this card is angelic connections as well as light body. This is a high vibrational card. Both selenite and angelite are crystals that work with angelic and higher consciousness. There are many aspects to this card, but mainly it is about gently opening up your crown or higher chakras to help with your telepathy and communication to a higher source. Selenite also helps anchor your light body to the earth plane, which again is very necessary if you are working with higher energy. When you are anchored and protected, you can truly trust in the wisdom and guidance you get while working with spirit. Angelite will also help you speak your truth from a place of higher being. Working with your throat chakra, which is your communication center. Angelite helps you communicate with the higher realms. Do you need higher guidance at this time? Or do you wish to communicate to a loved one you hope is being cared for by the angels? Whatever the need, know that they communicate with compassion and love, and always have your best interests at the forefront. When you ask for help from the higher realms, you will receive guidance from a higher perspective, one where they understand the bigger picture involved. Sometimes we can't see the wood for the trees. Situations where we just don't understand why. There is always a bigger picture. There is always a lesson, and there is always a reason. Ask for guidance and take comfort in the fact that you are exactly where you are meant to be, regardless of how it feels at this time. So the next card is also going to be an energy coming in to support this solar chakra, and it's going to be the Soul Star chakra. We're going to take the card from the Blue Messiah deck, and Life Purpose came out. Each soul unfolds in divine time to their own inner truth, power, and limitless creative potential. Just as you cannot force a flower to bloom when it is not ready, so too can you not force a soul to unfold to their creative light and magnificence when they are not ready. Dear one, the wisdom of who you are and why you are here is found in your heart. To reach this place of innate wisdom and understanding of self is to first clear the channel between heart and mind. Breaking through walls of fear will enable that clarity of self to flow through. This wisdom may come through synchronistic encounters that nudge you to try to create new creative endeavors, or even through the feeling of an ignited heart wishing to suddenly explore. However this revelation of self comes to you, it will come, and the truth of who you are and why you are here will be yours. Your heart is your guiding compass, dear one. Allow your inner compass to guide you with love. Okay, I'm going to look at these intuitively now. I'm getting a sense that your seat of power, the sexual chakra, may be feeling a little bit weary. It's not completely dismantled. It wants to show up, but there's a sense of fatigue or even illness creeping in. There's a certain lack of vibrancy within this chakra. And it is a detriment to the male energy in you that is feeling the impact here. It's meant to be a very emboldened, very somewhat warrior, but very majestic feeling energy. So if you're not feeling that within you, let's look at how these other cards are coming in to offer some guidance. We're definitely seeing a need to communicate in something very high vibrational. So I would suggest meditating, or any way that you communicate with energies that you consider more divine, that you can connect with. Prayer, meditation, reading something sacred to you, keeping images around you that will inspire you. And there's a need to really do this a lot, to perhaps incorporate this as a daily, consistent presence in your life this week to help restore the energy of this chakra. I'm also seeing that by connecting in a way that involves connecting to a higher consciousness, an intuitive, a third eye type of powerful psychic connection, often awakened through meditation processes again, or praying, even going outside at night and spending some time under the stars can help fuel through this third eye chakra into your heart space a restorative energy that needs to come in and really be burning bright. And getting that energy from the crown to the heart will help then infuse the energy into this the solar chakra again as well, that just feels a little bit drained. Of course, if you have any other practices that you use to balance this chakra, you could even go and look up frequencies for it online, healing frequencies, vibrations, any type of vibrational medicine, color therapy, Reiki healing. Please engage in something to restore your sense of power and your overall well-being this week. Thank you, my friends, for being here for this reading. I send you many blessings, so much love, and every possible wish for your wellness. Please join me for any of the other readings I also offer through my other playlists. Take care, you guys.